Hello everyone, this is the inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. The inverse head and shoulder chart pattern is the opposite of the head and shoulder chart pattern. It is the complete opposite of it. The inverse head and shoulder chart pattern consists of a left shoulder, a head and a right shoulder, and the shoulders are connected by a neckline. The inverse head and shoulder pattern is a bullish reversal pattern which is only found in uptrends. Inverse head and shoulder is a very strong bullish pattern. So this is something which we need to look on the charts and we should be aware of it. The interpretation of the inverse head and shoulder is that when the neckline gets break, which I have labeled here on the chart, if this gets break, the price will rally towards upside. And for the target, we have to measure the distance from head to the neckline like this. We have to take the tool, we have to measure the distance between head to neckline. Let's suppose it's 16% up. So when this neckline gets break, our buying position will be here and our target would be 16% towards the upside movement. Let's go to the chart and find inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. As you can see, this is the clear inverse head and shoulder. Let's take the head and shoulders from the toolbox. This is the head and shoulders. We have to simply draw it. See, this is the left shoulder. This is the head. And this is the right shoulder. Perfectly. We have to measure the distance between head and the neckline. So it's approximately 2.39%. So this is our buying point and this would be our price of selling, 2.9%. We'll sell this at this zone. So it has potential to rally upside. I hope you have enjoyed the session and you have learned it. I have explained in the best possible way. Still, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Let's move on to our next lecture. Thank you.